Good morning YouTube. It's been a while. We have another GE, this time an A model, A35825B on the workbench, just as today's project. Have a bit of fun. Okay, so what are we doing today? First of all, we're replacing installing an O2A chip holder and also a 40 channel switch into this radio. This is an 18 channel radio. This is an untouched radio. I'm the first one to lay hands on the board, which is always a positive start. When I have more, I'll show more. Okay, I've removed the O2A chip and installed the holder, and that's a bit of my handiwork. The next stage is to remove solder from all these pads, which is for the 40 channel switch, and start focusing on installing the 40 channel switch. Alright, solder's removed on this one, as you can see, and it's ready to work on the other side of the board. So this is the top side of the board. And what we're going to do is remove solders from this pad, from this area, this area, this area, and this area. So just to give you some idea, so it's all of those. And then we're going to remove the nut here. And we're going to lift this board and drop the channel selector into this space. Alright, we've desoldered the board, and now what we're going to do is gently just move the pins to break them free of the any residual solder in there, so that they're free to lift this and remove the switch. Just be gentle. You'll hear them. You'll feel them move as you can see in the photograph. Okay, that's all done. Next step is to remove the nut from here and these two screws, and I've already lifted the board. This just simply popped up. Okay, so the bottom pads have been resoldered back into place. A little tedious lining up, just for those that haven't done this before, but it is very straightforward. Just be mindful on these, don't put a lot of heat on. I use a mixture of a desolder gun to remove the start of the solder, and then I go over it with just some of this wick, and this is a 1.5mm, and I just drag it over that, clean it up, and then clean with isopropyl alcohol before I lay down the new solder. Okay, board's back in, it's all soldered and cleaned, and the O2A chip is also back in. Oh, it's very hard to see. Give you some light. It's in underneath the board. There we go. So that's all in with its new holder. Next step is to plug the radio in and check. All right, radio's plugged in. Let's turn it on. All right, 8, 0, 4, 3, 2, 1, 40. There we go. All good. Okay, completed the 40 channel dial install and the O2A refit. Just gone through and cleaned the top of the board here and put a coat of circuit varnish on top of it. And this is the area that we've worked on today. So all the pads have been cleaned, redone, and you can see as we go through there. I'll flip it over and show you the other side. Okay, that's the bottom view. Oh, bottom view, yeah, bottom view of the radio. And there's the board. It's been put back in and redone. Gone through and done a full alignment of this for receive. Gone through and calibrated all of the RX section. And very happy with the radio. It receives quite well. I'll show you in a second. We'll put the covers on and get it back and do an on-air test. Thank you. Okay, we're back again. Face is fitted back on again. Just I'll give you a demonstration on local.
With my cigarette. Can you be back there with your black fag? Roger.
Tone high, tone low. Give you a test, 40. And there we go there. Channel 1. TX. 26965, spot on. Okay, just as a recap, what did we do today? The point of this video was to show you, for those that aren't that confident in doing channel changes or switch changes, how easy it is. You just need to be patient and be diligent in what you do. Also, the chip holder, that's in, so there's all of my radios now that have an O2A. I put a DIN piggyback plug in it so that you can quickly remove a chip if you have to. Those who have worked on any of these older radios know how easy it is, even if you're delicate with your iron and run at low temperatures, to tracks starting to peel. So anytime that I can, we do that. All right, thank you very much for watching. It's another project to keep the mind active. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.